Since we posted our first video on programming a large action model, quite a bit has changed with Nelima. Today, we're super excited to show you how to take advantage of something new and powerful, private actions. In this video, we'll break down the difference between public and private action, and we'll walk you through two real-world examples. First, we'll teach Nelima how to retrieve and check the status of a USPS package, and then we'll show her how to access a personal security camera. By the end, you'll not only understand the difference between public and private action, but also know how to start applying them for your own use cases. Alright, so if you missed our first video, be sure to check it out. It covers the basic of setting up and teaching Nelima actions, most of which still apply today. But don't worry if you're new here, Nelima's interface is simple and easy to work with, so you'll be up to speed in no time. Okay, so here's the situation. I'm rarely home, but I get tons of packages delivered to my apartment. Right now, Nelima doesn't know how to track package status if you give her a tracking number, so we're gonna fix that. What I'm gonna do is add USPS package tracking to Nelima so it can automatically check the status of shipments when needed. It will call the USPS API in real time, aka we're locking in for a second. As always, to create an action, we will click here on Integrate. Now we can go ahead and write out our function on the code editor. Give me just a second.
There's a lot here to be excited about. I think this could be very positive for our society and economy.
Okay, so this function should work and allow Nelima to fetch tracking data from USPS. Also, you can always use our environment variable feature to handle sensitive information, such as API keys or database credentials, without hard-coding them directly into the application's codebase. We also made an in-depth video showing how to use this if you need help. Alright, let's get back to the code editor and go to the next step of the integration process. We'll go ahead and define the function property such as the function description. This function takes tracking number as input and provides the package status of a USPS parcel. The package status includes step-by-step package delivery status. We'll also add a simple prompt like track this package for me. Okay, cool, that's done. Now we can go ahead and manage the function arguments, and in this case, we only have one, the tracking number. The data type is of course a string, and the argument description can be tracking number of a valid USPS package. And lastly, the function should return a string. Awesome. You can always test your functions before integrating them, but since I never, ever have written a bad code for a simple function, I don't think I'll need it. And that's it. Let's test the action and see if it actually works. Hey, Nelima, where is my package? Here is the tracking number. And after a few seconds, we can see that Nelima managed to get the information. It worked perfectly. Since we're already here, I'll also quickly add send daily packet status updates to my email at 9 a.m. And voila, just like that, you have your own personalized notification system for your packages. And thanks to our work, everyone can now benefit from it. Yes, everyone, even you, fellow watcher. Just a quick heads up, if you do create an action, you'll see that your action will be under review. Please reach out to us at support@celgen.com if your action has been under review for a long time or if you need any type of additional help. So, what's different about private actions? Well, there are times where you want Nelima to access things that are more sensitive and personal to you. This can include things such as that database you've been hoarding for almost 10 years, your home lighting system, or even a camera. As long as it has an API endpoint, the world is your oyster. With private actions, you can use Nelima's general public capabilities alongside whatever private tools you've hooked up with, or have it handle tasks just for you. The best part is that if someone tries the same prompt, it won't work for them. Your setup stays private. As a test case, I'll show you exactly how we got Nelima to access our camera. The process is basically the same. We write a quick function to allow Nelima to connect to our camera, but this time you'll click on here, set as private actions. And since we're retrieving an image, during the next step of the integration process, we should check on set string as image data. Once you got everything set, just go ahead and integrate it. And that's all there is to it. Let's run a quick prompt to check if everything is working fine. Hey, Nelima, I'm not home. Can you check the front door and tell me if there is any package? I can't tell you how cool it is that Nelima can send an actual picture of the front porch. And from the looks of it, there isn't really any package out front. Let me try a compound task using the tracking package action we integrated earlier and do something pretty complex. Track this package tracking number, page number, and check if it is out for delivery. If it is, check every 30 minutes if the package is there or not. If the package is there, email me with a confirmation. This is the kind of task Nelima can handle when we say she can execute complex actions for you. Let's see how she manages. Okay, it looks like she confirmed the task and even scheduled it for us. See you in 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes later, and I got notification from Nelima that the package did arrive. Before I check my emails, let me ask Nelima to show me the front door camera with the package to see if we actually got something. And there it is.
Nice.
And if I check my emails, I can see that Nelima did send the confirmation of my package arrival. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We're super excited to see your use cases and the cool action you use Nelima for. If you haven't done so yet, join us on Discord where you can interact with the community and ask us anything. And if you want to try Nelima today, just go to salgen.com/Nelima.